Hey guys, it's D here, and guess what? I'm gonna be on Roblox on my phone, and if you wonder how I'm recording, I do not have a camera. I downloaded an app called DU. I'm recording, so it can like record while I'm playing on my phone. So hope you like it. And sorry if Roblox take too long to load, because Roblox is just crazy. It takes too long. But in this room that I'm in right now, it's definitely gonna work, guys. And see this? This is what. So, guys, no, I'm not gonna play money. Scary roller coaster, guys. I'm playing that. Sorry if you don't want to see it. Five Nights at Freddy's. It's so scary, guys. So scary. I hate it. So, is it doing something? This is crazy. It's joining my server. What? This is not. Oh, so it has the picture of this. Of adapting this channel. It shows. Why is those? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. I am not. I'm gonna be. Guys, look. It's me. Going to the Dennis Daily. Wait, I want Dennis Daily. Don't miss Miss Dennis. My Dennis Daily. What? Oh no! Guys, we're falling. No, we're falling. No. But guys, I got an idea. So we have to do this. We have to wait until we're. Yes, guys. 10 DDM. I'm sorry, actually, I meant Dennis Daily. SpongeBob. Sorry. SpongeBob is like the scary. Okay, crashing to SpongeBob. I'm like the scariest thing ever. You're like the scary. And come on, waterfall, guys. We're going nuts down. We're going right down here. Okay, guys. If you can see my speed. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna do something for you. Okay, got it. I think I'm falling out of the world. See me, guys? Up, up. I can't see him. I think I'm falling. I fell. Guys, don't you see me? Ah, sorry. So crazy. Whatever was happening, so crazy. So crazy. So crazy. So crazy. And guys, my name is Knucklehead16 on. Woo! We did it together, and guys, this is how. Oh my God, that is what they call a scary roller coaster. Cause they have axes going to chop you. Okay, whoever made that part must be crazy. Like whoever does that. Guys, well, I think we're almost there. I'm not your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Like, look at this. Look at this, John. We're going through a universe. And please don't tell me I'm going to fall out of the world. If I fall out of the world, I'm going to be really sad. I'm floating. And now I'm falling. I think I'm dying. Please don't tell me I'm dying. Guys, look, best view ever. Best view. Sorry. That's like, and we get to get a view of me going down a giant water slide. This is so sad. As I die, I say to everybody, guys, this is the part I never got to. We're going into a toilet. Oh, that's disgusting. I have to go into a toilet. Ew! You dirty toilet. No, guys, we cannot miss this. It's our chance to be the greatest. Woo! Okay. Guys, we're the winner. We're the winners. We're the winners, baby. We're the winners. Spider-Man always rules. He rules. Everybody knows that Spider-Man rules. Oh, why is his name Fidgety? I don't know what the glass is. Okay, I see. I did not win. I win. I lost. Guys, we're gonna be a dog. I want to be a dog. Why can I not be my own dog? Let me be a dog, you trashy people. Fine, no dog for me, I guess. Guys, do you know what we have just got? This drone's trash. It doesn't even work, guys. It's just trash. You can't even move. This is a guys. So we finished. Where is my beautiful surprise? I'm a winner. I'm the winner. How's that dude riding? Guys, I'm gonna try this one more time. That's doing trash. It doesn't even doing. Spider-Man needs his bye. Oh my god, I can see my face. Sorry, guys. So, bye bye. Okay, so this is how I end my recording, I guess. Do recording.